Welcome to Whispers. Welcome to my life and afterlife. I came across quite interesting headlines, and the whole brouhaha has been going on for a while with regards to INEC chairman out with the hold in with the new. So nothing lasts forever. Soldier goes, soldier comes. So finally, the almighty Mahmoud has served his purpose, and he has been trashed to the bin. Posterity will never forgive and forget Mahmoud Yakubu for the part and role he played in the Nigerian political scene. He is the kingmaker, is the selector, is the installer of the mediocre presidents that we have. And I don't think he saw this coming, but I knew it will happen eventually. It's just a matter of time, cause it's all a game to them. It's all a game to them. Kò sí nǹkan tá à ń jẹ tí kì í tán àfọlọ́ọ̀lọ́run. Yakubu, Mahmood, mọ̀kànmọ̀kàn ló yẹ kàn. Níjọ́sí tó gorí ẹṣin tó ń sọ́pàkọ, ó ti padà wá sìn, ó ti wá darapọ̀ máwọn mẹ̀kúnnù. Káàbọ̀, kúrìn. So, ẹṣin ayọ̀ tó gbéra ẹ̀gùn, come back to, you were in cloud9, come back to reality now. The reality is gonna set in. You will feel Nigeria. Just like every other person, Nigeria is gonna happen to you. Because Nigeria is happening to people, the old, the young, the mighty, the nobodies, and the somebodies. Everybody at one time or another will experience Nigeria. So, I'm looking at your picture. You look so sad. Why are you sad? Nothing lasts forever. Even your Buhari of the monkey and the baboon, we have a bloodbath. It's 6 feet down below. So, Yakubu has been kicked out. He has been replaced. And Tinubu can't explain tire. So, come along with me as we explore 3 interesting headlines, and then we'll go and see people's reactions to this INEC drama, unfolding drama. So the headline reads, Mahmoud Yakub bows out as INEC chairman, hands over to Agbomoche. So, bows out. But there was no standing ovation, no. There was no cheering at all, man. Igboro Remi, nothing for the boys. Pepe don't red. He don't red, though. So, come along with me. Thanks for listening to me. So, here goes nothing. Professor is calling himself a professor. Anyway, it is an irony that all these people that engages in all this electoral malpractices are people of high educational qualification. He is a professor, and his successor picked in his place is also a professor. What are they professing? Professor Yakubu Jera, Professor Agbalowo Mary Balẹ̀ Jotoro, Professor Ayédèrú, Professor Ojoro. This is just it shows what our educational system has become. These are fathers, somebody's father, somebody's husband, somebody's in-law, somebody's grandfather. Adults behaving badly, and they are being rewarded by the society for their ill behaviors. It's quite appalling. It is quite appalling. If he is like this, I mean, posterity will judge him, will never forgive or forget him. And down the line, his children and grandchildren are reading what their grandfather has been up to. It's been up to no good. It's been up to no good, but it is what it is. It is the order of the day. So Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, the outgoing chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has officially handed over the leadership of the commission to Mrs. May Agbamuche Mbo, who will serve as acting chairman. Oh, they brought in a woman. Interesting. The handover took place during an ongoing meeting with resident electoral commissioners at the INEC headquarters in Abuja. Agbamuche Mbo, the oldest serving national commissioner at INEC, is expected to oversee the affairs of the electoral body pending the appointment of a substantive chairman of the electoral empire. Announcing the transition, Professor Yakubu urged the staff of the commission to extend their full support and cooperation to the acting chairman. I have today handed over to Mrs. May Agbamuche Mbo as the acting chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission. I urge all commissioners and directors to give her the same level of cooperation and dedication that you have shown to me, he said. Yakubu will be remembered for overseeing the 2023 presidential election. So let's go see people's reaction to him being gone. Somebody said, Amuda Ogunlere will simply look for one of his Ronu slaves to place as INEC chairman. Only Ronu slaves will die. Even power culture will do Amuda Ogunlere's bidding. Nice one, the neutral INEC chairman. Mr. Yakubu, Emma Shebi Foster, you don't want to prosper. Come and collect Oscar. Yeah. Actually, falls made a dish track for him. Mr. Yakubu, Emma Shebi Foster. It's quite interesting. Tinubu is currently shopping for a Yoruba name to replace. So she will never be confirmed. Key positions that border on elections, security, and legal must be manned by a trusted Yoruba name for 2027's sake. Therefore, the heads of police, DSS, Army, INEC, Judiciary, Customs, CBN, etc. must be headed by a Yoruba. Although Onunuga will come and cook up one flimsy excuse of the appointee being the most qualified in the NDA said blah blah. We all know the real motive. After all, Buhari made jingoism a political culture. Yes, Buhari was one that started that everything was Fulani. So if Tinubu decided to follow suit and make everything Yoruba, so be it. The next time, or whoever is next, if there's anybody next, anyway, if he isn't the last one, then we have to wait their turn. So it didn't surprise people from the way I'm saying it. So somebody said, anytime Tinubu wants to scam North, he will appoint a Yoruba man from Kwara or Kogi and says it's not central appointment. That's what he's planning to replace the Igbo woman in a week's time. Another ethnic jingoist in Asura, Nigeria. You don't have a list yet, just a cunning politician and businessman. OBJ was no. I beg to differ. I beg to disagree. OBJ was the only true national, no. Followed by Yaradua, no. To a lesser degree, Jonathan, hell no. None of them. The only difference is I better pass my neighbor, my thief. Better thief pass your own. So that is just, no, there shouldn't be any comparison because there's no need for that because they are all corrupt. They are all selfish, self-centered. They don't care for the people at all. They are all after what they can get. So, no. Mahmoud, if you were a part of the 2023 rigging that tore Nigeria apart, may Allah put you in a position to confess publicly between now and December. Oh, it's not confess what? Hell no. Oh, somebody said, I'm not gonna read that. May prosperity judge you for being a major part of Nigeria's problems, Professor. Tinubu will hand over to an Igbo president 2031. It's the turn of the Southeast to run Nigeria, not the North. Oh, okay, we shall see. So, apparently, people were not moved. They were not moved at all. Yakubu will go down in history as the worst INEC chairman so far. The technical glitch that occurred during the 2023 elections that obtains the wish of the majority of Nigerians, which only affected the presidential election only, and that was conducted simultaneously with the Senate. It's good riddance to bad rubbish. Good riddance, so everything is staged. So now, the most useless INEC chairman in living memory. Good riddance to bad rubbish. That is just it. It's good riddance to bad rubbish. Can you believe it? Adults, men, the troubles that men cause lives after them. Honestly, all these people behaving badly, doing all this rubbish, they are men. They are all men. It's ridiculous. So he has now picked a replacement, and in the person of what's his name now? I think it's Amupitan. Is another professor, and his name is Amupitan. Okay, Council of State approves Amupitan as new INEC chairman. So let's go find out. And this episode is gonna round up with Tinubu explaining Taya why he had to pick Amupitan. The National Council of State has unanimously approved the appointment of Professor Joash Ojo Amupitan San from Kogi State as the new chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). President Bola Tinubu was set to appoint Amupitan as the new INEC chairman, succeeding Professor Mahmood Yakubu after his 10-year tenure spanning 2 terms. So Yakubu na 10 years you use. Wow. Amupitan is both a kingsman and long-term legal counsel for Senator Dino Melaye. Amupitan has emerged as the likely candidate to succeed Yakubu as the INEC national chairman. Bayo Ononuga, special advisor to Press-Select on Information and Strategy, in a statement announced that the Council of State has approved the nomination of Amupitan. The statement said Press-Select Tinubu presented Amupitan's nomination to the Council to fill the vacancy left by Yakubu, who served as INEC chairman from 2015 until October 2025. The Press-Select described Amupitan as a political and first nominee from Kogi State to occupy the position. Council members gave their full support to the nomination, with Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo praising Amupitan as a man of integrity. Man of integrity indeed. Following the approval, the Press-Select will now forward Amupitan's name to the Senate for screening in line with constitutional requirements. Okay, so let's get to meet Amupitan. So who is Amupitan? Amupitan, 58, hails from Ayetoro Gbede, Ijumu, local government area, Kogi State. Is a professor of law at the University of Jos, specializing in company law, law of evidence, corporate governance, and privatization law. He was conferred the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria in September 2024. Born on April 25, 1967, Amupitan attended Kwara State Polytechnic, Ilorin, between 1982 to 1984, and the University of Jos from 1984 to 1987. He was called to bar in 1988 and later earned a Master of Law LLM in 1993 and a PhD in 2007. His academic career began in 1989 after completing his National Youth Service at the Bauchi State Publishing Corporation. He currently serves as Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration at the University of Jos and as Pro-Chancellor and Chairman of the Governing Council of Joseph Ayub Babalola University in Osun State. Among his previous roles at UniJos are Dean of the Faculty of Law, 2008-14, Head of Public Law, 2006-2008, Chairman of the Committee of Deans and Directors, 2012-2014. He's an academician. But they can and they are fantastically corrupt. Yes, sir. A prolific author, Amupitan has published numerous books, including Corporate Governance, Models and Principles, 2008, Documentary Evidence in Nigeria, 2008, Evidence Law, the Theory of and Practice in Nigeria, 2013, Principles of Company Law, 2013, and Introduction to the Law of Trusts in Nigeria, 2014. He is married and has 4 children. That is him. He's settled. He's settled. So people are like, Amupitan did not suddenly fall from the sky. Can someone that knows him please tell us the kind of person he is? No, there's no need for explanation. For you to be in Tinubu's government, you must be fantastically corrupt and has loads of hidden past whatever, He only puts his own person that people that he knows he can easily, if they want to go gaga, just draw into the legion on them. So, it's all good. No, even if he's a good person, once he joins politics, no, it's gonna go bad because they're gonna corrupt him. But it is all good. It is all good. People can't be bothered because they know already it has been rigged, so. And we are not the same. We are not one. We are not one. Because there's a Yoruba man there now. They're shouting it's tribalistic. Why did you put an Yoruba man there? Because an evil person was the interim holding the space for Amupitan. So finally, they're like, it's taking it from me. But we are better off being respectable neighbors. Let everybody stand on their own. Let everybody stand on their own. No matter who is there, people are not going to be satisfied because they'll be like, it's because it's this, it's because it's that. So, but if we are respectable neighbors, that everybody have their own country where they can do whatever they like, I think it will be much more easier. So, let's go and see what this Tinubu have to say to this. The president had to shalaye and is now explaining to people why I picked Amupitan as INEC chairman, Press-elect Tinubu. Speaking during the meeting of the National Council of State held in Abuja, Press-elect Tinubu said Amupitan's nomination was a deliberate choice, reflecting his administration's commitment to transparency, and credibility in electoral leadership. That is a fallacy. That is a blunt out, in your face lie. Really? Transparency, credibility in the electoral leadership? You go explain tire. According to a statement issued by the Press-elect Special Advisor on Information, Bayo Ononuga, it's still the same. It's still the same. It's still the same. It's not even saying anything. It's not even saying anything. Okay, Amupitan is widely regarded as a scholar of repute and a legal luminary with a passion for good governance and institutional reforms, qualities many observers will say will strengthen INEC's credibility under its leadership. I doubt it. Watching in 3D, but no, they're up to no good. So, what is Tinubu for you? So, the notes, on para, go Joe, man, Ojawala Raja, man, Ojo one, man, Ojo one, like, oh my God, then they feel it. Then they feel it hot for them body, oh my God. Somebody should check on the northern elders, so I know they are in coma now. Some of them have passed out. Some of them are in hospital. Ah, Yakubu don't carry him bag, go. Yakubu must go. Yakubu must go. Yakubu don't do fraudster. Come on, too. Amupitan is next, so nothing good can come out of it. So that is just it. So, guys, there you have it. So Yakubu has finally said, according to the title, that he bowed down. So after 10 years, 10 years of torture and terror, 10 years of rigging, 10 years of all kinds of electoral malpractices that has not even been witnessed before in the history of this so-called business enterprise with the name of Nigeria. So that is all. It's quite interesting anyway. Rather. Amupitan too will come and go. Tinubu cannot stay there forever. He too will come and go. Soldier come, soldier go. Soldier come, soldier go. They are saying President Tinubu's president. A time will come to say former. It will be former. Yakubu now, you don't turn to former. All the kakaraka, all the eye there, my head there, my mouth there, boof. Everything go die down. All the motorage, entourage, whatever, woyi, nothing now. So, nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. So, how the mighty had fallen. So, yeah. So, Yakubu, so you go leave DJ. I never knew. I didn't say you go die there. But as you don't come out now, it's all good. Lesson for all. Lesson for all. So, until I come your way again, thank you for listening to me. Bye.